downstairs toilet. This is the problem. Dripping tap. This is the pipe work. So we've got a stopcock just here. And as you might be able to see, it's got a square end, but it's slightly twisted. You can see it's kind of twisted. Lots of paint. This is the pipe that it's on. It's on an oldish pipe. Now the pipe runs all the way along here, past the little toilet roll, and you can see here it goes into the copper pipe just there, which then travels along. If I go up a bit, you can see it pops up just here. It comes up there to the back of the sink. So that's that there. Now what I also know is that this pipe here tees off and it goes across the wall and it comes up to there. Now that pipe work there goes into the garage and then it goes up here, which is the toilet, and comes out just there. So that feed is just doing the toilet. But what you can't see is down the bottom here, the pipe actually goes down, and then I think it goes that way, goes into the garage, and then going in this way that goes to the other main stopcock. So that's it, that's the offending thing there that we really need replacing, is this stopcock thing here. But as you can see, it's a bit old and ancient. I've got some big hexagon bolts on it. I don't know if that's of any good to you. Oh well, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.